The future of Python, a powerful and versatile programming language, has proven its worth in countless applications and industries over the years. However, what does the future hold for this programming language that has captured the hearts of developers worldwide? As we look ahead, it becomes evident that Python's future is brighter than ever. The language continues to evolve, adapting to new trends and technologies, making it an essential player in the world of programming. One of the key factors contributing to Python's successful future is its simplicity and ease of use. Python's syntax is clean and intuitive, enabling developers to write code quickly and efficiently. This simplicity has attracted a vast community of programmers who appreciate Python's gentle learning curve and readability. As a result, Python has become one of the most popular languages for both beginners and seasoned developers alike. Furthermore, Python's versatility allows it to thrive in a variety of fields, from web development to data analysis, scientific computing to artificial intelligence. Python is capable of handling diverse tasks effortlessly. With advancements in machine learning and data science, Python has positioned itself at the forefront of these domains, making it an indispensable language for developers working with cutting-edge technologies. The future holds exciting advancements for Python, including improved performance and scalability. Efforts are underway to optimize Python's runtime speed, ensuring it remains competitive in high-performance computing scenarios. Moreover, Python is embracing parallel processing to make better use of modern multi-core processors, unlocking even greater performance capabilities. Additionally, Python's interoperability with other languages and frameworks continues to expand. This adaptability enables developers to leverage Python's strengths while seamlessly integrating it with existing codebases or incorporating it into larger systems. Python's ability to work well with other languages positions it as a valuable asset in the future of software development. Another significant trend in Python's future is its increased usage in the mobile application development domain. The emergence of frameworks such as Kivy and Beware has made it possible to develop cross-platform mobile applications using Python. With this development, Python is breaking into the mobile space, offering developers a familiar language for creating mobile applications without compromising on performance or user experience. In conclusion, the future of Python is promising and exciting. This versatile programming language continues to evolve and adapt, making it an invaluable tool for developers across various industries. With its simplicity, versatility, and future enhancements, Python is set to remain at the forefront of programming languages, enabling developers to create cutting-edge applications that shape our ever-evolving world.